What's up, everyone? This is Richie Goad, Minister of Discipleship here at Catalyst Church, and this is Connection Group's Winging It. Well, today I am here with our Connection Group leader, which is me, Richie Goad, and our Connection Group hosts, Bill and Amy McMahon, for the Northwest Greensboro Connection Group. And y'all, tonight we're gonna have some good conversations, gonna ask y'all some good questions, get to know who the McMahons are, maybe even get to learn something new about this Richie Goad fella. And we're just gonna have a good time trying out some wing sauces and letting the folks know who y'all are.
Sounds good, man.
So I want to start off by asking y'all, you are stranded on a desert island, and knowing that for some reason on this island you have a television, a DVD player, and a power source, what 3 movies would you take with you on the desert island?
You want to go first?
Yes.
All
that's
right.
An easy one.
Amy, what do we got?
Pretty Woman,
Pretty Woman, okay.
Little Women,
Okay.
and Grease.
I see kind of a theme going on here. That'll work. Out of all those 3, which one's your favorite?
Little Women.
Little Women.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Which one of those is your favorite, Bill?
Ooh.
I know it's a tough one.
All of those ones.
I'm-
That is a tough
Dude,
one.
I'm Grease all the way.
I have been forced to watch all of them. I'm gonna go with Little Women.
Little Women.
Yep,
Nice.
You're a trooper.
All right, man. Your 3 movies, Stranded on Desert Island. What do you got?
All right. I mean, 3's not much to begin with.
Yeah.
So if I'm going in, I'm going all in.
Okay.
I'm gonna go Back to the Future 1,
Nice.
2, and 3.
Hey, I like it. Easy
Yep.
enough. That'll
Trilogy.
work.
I got the whole story right there.
Nice.
And if I'm kind of feeling like, what was life like before the island?
Mm-hmm.
You know, I can kind of watch Back to the Future and be like, oh yeah, you know, he's going back to what his life was like.
Awesome.
Reflect on my own, existence, and praise God along the way.
There you go. I can dig it. Now, out of those 3, which one's your favorite?
I mean, the first one.
Yeah,
Yes.
for sure.
Definitely. But
For sure.
all of them are awesome. All right, now let me turn it back around on you and
Okay.
ask you, if you were on an island, what 3 movies would you pick, Richie?
If I was on an island, what 3 movies would I pick?
Yeah.
All right. I'm not very cultured, okay, when it comes to my movie choices. But my 3 movies would be Napoleon Dynamite,
Awesome one.
The Water Boy, and Airplane.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so those
Really good ones.
I like comedy movies,
Yep.
so those would be my 3.
Nice.
Awesome. Good question.
Yeah.
Great question, man.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
We ask good questions in our connection group.
We do. Our connection group's pretty fantastic.
That's true. That is true.
So we are going to try our first hot sauce,
Oh, nice.
and this is called Ron Barron's replacement for Tabasco.
All right.
Okay.
Awesome.
Let's see what we got here.
All right, replacement for Tabasco, right?
Ron
All right.
Barron's replacement for Tabasco. Let's see what we got.
Oh yeah,
You can feel it.
They're pretty good.
that's really good.
It's not bad.
It's got some zing.
It definitely has some zing.
Now, and this
Good
is
job,
this
Ron.
is the warm up run, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man. All right. Oh yeah, that's solid.
Really like that. And I mean, these are homemade. They're like, Ron does a really good job with that. So awesome. I'll save the milk for the next one.
Yeah, I was gonna say you may need to save that milk for round 2. That's very possible. Good, right?
So next, I just want y'all to kind of fill me in on where you're at in life. What do you do? Where do you work? And you want to start with ladies first again?
We'll start with
Let's
Amy.
do it.
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
Yep.
Still recuperating.
Still recuperating. I love it.
Okay. I'm Amy.
Hi, Amy.
Hi.
Pretty woman enthusiast.
Pretty woman enthusiast. I like it. Nice.
I live in Greensboro, near Oak Ridge, on the way to Oak Ridge, so in that area of Greensboro. And I work part-time at the church doing children's ministry for the little ones that are not quite school age yet.
Nice.
And I have 3 children of my own, all girls.
All girls. Bill, man. How's that for you?
It's working out
It
good.
works good.
It's
Nice.
working out good.
Works out
Yep.
good. Awesome.
It's a lot of emotions.
It's a lot of emotion, but you know we're learning as we go.
Yeah, there you go. For sure. And you're about to come up on your 1-year anniversary here not too long, right?
Yeah, in a few months, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're close to 1
That's
year.
true.
But y'all been with Catalyst, I mean, for quite a while, right?
Oh yeah.
For a long
Yep.
time. So awesome. Well, Bill, just process of elimination. You're married to Amy.
Yes.
Right? Okay,
Yes,
cool.
yes. Fantastic deduction.
Nice.
Yes, exactly.
No, I'm
yes.
good at that kind of stuff.
Married to Amy, and as Amy mentioned, we have 3 daughters, Carolyn, Julie, and Charlotte.
Oh, nice.
Yep. We've been going to Catalyst for a number of years. I'm an elder here at Catalyst. Been an elder the last couple years, and I'm an attorney in my spare time.
Not in your spare time. It's your side gig.
Exactly.
Being an attorney.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Awesome.
All right, so Richie, tell us a little bit about you.
Yeah, man. So I have been on staff here at Catalyst Church as a minister of discipleship for a year and a couple of months. Quite the transition for me down here. Boy from Southwest Virginia, and my apartment is in the city of Greensboro, so I had to get used to some new noises at nighttime, but it's been great. Love my Catalyst family. It's going fantastic, man.
It's been great having you here.
Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it, man.
Definitely.
So let's try our next hot sauce, and this is
Ooh, I'm looking forward to this.
this is rough. We might have some bloopers here, but
Yep, I'm looking forward to this.
Ron Barron's calls this Ron's Hellfire sauce, and it is, I mean, it's exactly what you would think it is.
And despite the name, it's still Connection Group sponsored, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
despite the
nice,
name,
nice,
it's
nice.
still Connection Group.
Nice.
That's
Good,
awesome.
good.
All right, you ready? Let's do this.
Ready.
Ron's Hellfire sauce.
Ready to dig in.
Yes.
All right. That's pretty good.
Yeah, it hits.
Yep. Yep. It's solid. I feel like one of the strategies is honestly just to keep eating the wings, man.
Just keep it. Just
If
keep
you just
doing
keep
it.
eating the wings, you're not even gonna feel how hot it is. You know?
Oh my gosh. So, set. I mean, it hurts your eyes. You know.
Yeah, honestly, I think my nose is acting up the most.
Open.
Response
Did it
is-
open your sinuses?
Oh yeah. Yep.
We survived.
We did. Actually,
Not bad.
Cheers.
Not bad. Cheers.
wait. Let's do it again. I feel like the odd man out.
Cheers.
I was silly and used milk.
Yeah, yeah. I actually think the water might be making it worse.
You know what? It
Kind of opens up a little bit, you
It
know?
does.
Yep. Yep.
My
You and-
lips.
Yep.
So we just tried Ron's Hellfire sauce, and you look like right here.
Yep.
Right, this guy is sweating like I've never seen somebody sweat before
yeah.
eating hot wings. So
Yep.
kudos to you, man.
Good
You're
stuff.
sticking it
Yep.
out. So I want to close this time we have together by asking y'all, like, y'all been involved in connection groups before. Last semester we were all in a connection group together. But what has been the impact of connection groups for you personally as a couple and your family? What's something you appreciate about connection groups?
Want to go first?
It feels like we're getting together for Thanksgiving every week.
Hey, our group, it does.
It's amazing.
It really does.
It's not necessarily because of the food, although people just show up and bring stuff. We don't have like a set agenda. People might just say, oh, I'm bringing bagels tonight, and someone else says, I'm bringing cookies, and we have a spread. But that's not why. It's just everybody comes together and laughs together and prays together and has a wonderful time, and it really feels like family coming together every week. And when we stopped for the summer, our whole family missed it. Even little Charlotte was asking when everybody was going to come back.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yep.
Bill,
Yeah.
still sweating it out, man.
I was gonna say, yeah. I'm crying from the wings and also crying from how awesome Connection Group is.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, honestly, building off of what Amy said, it really, you have an opportunity to create memories, with everyone that you're in community with. And, we laugh about those times. We remind each other of those times all the time. And it's just so much more enriching to be engaged in a group, and you're going to service with these same people, right? It's just a great way to build disciples and grow in your own faith at the same time. Richie, I'm trying to gather myself together here.
What happened, man? What's going on, dude?
I know, exactly. But let me ask you, because you were part of our same group last year. What have you taken from Connection Group so far, and why do you like it?
Well, right now, currently, as this is being recorded, I'm a single guy. Moved down here to Greensboro. I'm on my own. My parents aren't far away; they're 2 hours away. But when I moved down here on my own, I didn't miss a beat when it came to connecting and creating relationships with people. And a big part of that was the Connection Group just embracing me and loving on me and letting me know that I have a church family here. I have a Connection Group family who loves me and is there for me to encourage me in my faith. And so that's been really, really cool. I honestly don't know what things would look like having moved down here if it wasn't for the impact the Connection Group had on me and my life. And I'm looking forward to continuing to grow together with y'all.
Awesome.
We love you, Richie.
Yes. Boom. Those are really solid high fives, by the way.
We're pretty good.
Well, that does it for this episode of Connection Group's Winging It. Oh,
Winging
gosh,
It.
that one came up.
Oh, geez.
I was going to almost say a couple more survivors of Ron Sauce.
Oh,
but
man.
Maybe that was too quick.
Spoke too soon.
If you are interested in Connection Groups, have any questions about them, just want to talk to me, Richie Goad, about them, my email is richie@catalystchurch.org.